Let's speak slow English listening and shadowing.
Stop right now and listen carefully. This may change how you learn. You are not bad at English. You are learning the wrong way. Yes, that is the truth. And you need to hear it. Many learners study for years, but still cannot speak. They watch videos every day. They learn many new words. They study grammar for hours, but they still feel stuck. Why does this happen? What is really going on? The answer is very simple. You are not using English. You are only watching English. You are only reading English. You are not speaking enough. That is the real problem. Your brain needs action, not just passive learning. Watching is easy. Speaking is hard. So your brain chooses easy and avoids speaking practice. But easy does not mean effective. You must do hard things. Speaking builds real skill, not watching and thinking. Another problem is fear. You are afraid to speak. You are afraid of mistakes. You are afraid of judgment. So you stay silent and wait for confidence. But confidence never comes. If you do not speak, confidence comes from action, not from waiting. Another problem is perfection. You want perfect sentences. You want perfect grammar before you start speaking. This is a big mistake. It stops your progress. You do not need perfect English. You need simple communication. Simple English is enough to start speaking. Another hidden problem is translation. You translate every word. You think in your language, then change into English. This makes speaking very slow and very difficult. Your brain becomes tired and stops working. You must stop translating and start thinking simple. Use short, easy sentences. Think directly in English. Another problem is no repetition. You learn something one time, then you move to new lesson and forget everything. Your brain needs repetition to build strong memory. Repeat again and again. This is real learning. Another mistake is too many methods. You try many different systems. You change every few days. You never stay consistent. This creates confusion. Your brain cannot adapt. You need one simple method and follow it every day. Another problem is no daily habit. You study only when motivated. But motivation is not stable. Some days you feel tired. Without habit, you stop and lose your progress. Habit is more important than motivation. Even 10 minutes every day is better than nothing. Another truth you must hear. Learning English takes time. There is no magic way. No fast shortcut. But there is a smart way. And you can follow it. Now listen carefully. This is what you must do. Speak every single day, even when you feel tired. Use simple sentences. Do not overthink. Repeat what you learn again and again. Think in English slowly. Do not translate everything. Use English in daily life. Talk about what you do. Keep your learning simple. Do not make it hard. Stay consistent every day. Even small effort counts. Be patient with yourself. Progress takes time. Do not give up early. Keep moving forward. If you follow these steps, your English will change. You will speak more easily. You will feel more confident. Not because you are smarter, but because you practice right. Now take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Say this with me now. I will speak every day. I will not be afraid. I will keep going. Again, say it slowly. I will speak every day. Now start today. Do not wait anymore. Your future depends on action, not on thinking. Speak now and begin. Your journey starts here.
Follow me. Slow English. Listening and shadowing.